Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. Today is Forex Beginners Lesson 13, and I want to show you two types of double bottom that I've come to realize. This, if you know the type of double bottom you're dealing with, you're in a better chance to get it in the market. So the first double bottom that you guys have been ignoring is the double bottom on upward market. So what do I mean? So we have a double bottom on an upward market, you can see. So that is the first double bottom on an upward market. And we trade it differently. And the best thing, if you're aware that the double bottom that you're getting involved yourself into, it's a market that has been trending above. So many people would think that this market will sell because it's a reversal. It has been buying for a very long time. So many people would want to come and do what? Sell. So if you don't know about patterns, for you will think that the market has broken this small support here and you'll be looking for retracement to continue selling. But if now you know about your patterns, you know about double bottom, there's nothing like guesswork here. So let's first draw our support very well. Following the rules, you put the first line to the body like that, the second line to the wick, and you follow the rules. So the rules are very clear that the sellers are not supposed to break the second line. If they break the second line, this possible double bottom is violated and we cannot use it. So when the market is going down, you have to be very careful that the market has not broken the last line. So now that being said, or that happening like that, we need to understand that this is our possible double bottom. Above here is our neckline, and half, we have the half. Guys, in this channel, double tops, double bottom, I have taught you about half and the effect it has, knowing your half. So we will draw the half now. Let's draw the half. That's the half. I like my half having color green for me to be able to know that is my half, and now I have my neckline. So that is what, guys, you need to have in this chart. Possible double bottom, half, neckline. And now understanding that your double bottom is not just a double bottom, it's a double bottom on an upward market. So what is the catch here? The catch is the market can come and react to our half, get rejected, break the double bottom, violate it, and continue selling. So this is one of the possibilities. The market can come, touch our half, or just consolidate around this place, break through, and that's how we get reversals. So this double bottom is very important to know. Do we have a reversal or continuation? So the pattern alone will help us to know if we'll get a reversal or continuation. Another thing that, guys, you need to understand is that is one case. The other case scenario is we can have buyers pushing the market all the way, breaking that half, going to the neckline, breaking it, and proceeding to above there. So this scenario is the continuation. This scenario is the reversal. So you need to understand that double bottom on an upward, we can have two things: continuation, reversal. So how do you get involved? Because today's class is not about entry on double bottom on daily, I'll do that later. Today's class, I wanted to show you how it is all about. To be safe, guys, to be safe. For entry level, the entry level one is up to here to here, here to here. You take your profit. If it breaks, you enter up to the neckline, take profit. If it breaks, we measure this distance. So I'll measure the distance prior as we wait. So you do everything so that it can be in place. Don't do it once it happens or it breaks, you start measuring. For me, I like doing everything at hand. So that is what we have. So we have something like that. So we know if the neckline will ever be broken, the market is coming to this distance. Knowing that is very important, guys. Knowing that is very important. So because we don't want We don't want the place where the market can hit, maybe we get a green candle and then we enter and then it gets rejected. To avoid reversal, we need to wait for the market to break the green line. So let's start playing the playback. So for entry using WBB, I won't show you today, but as you are focusing on the market breaking that green line, you can see what is happening. The market is trying to consolidate or range on the green line. The green line, it's a very strong zone. So let's see what happens. So for 3 days, the market rejected the zone and went down. I'm so sure many sellers sold this place because they thought it is a retracement of here. If you didn't understand that this is a double bottom, already you are in sell, you are happy, you are selling, you are making money. But as we are outside, we want either they break here, we enter buy, or they break this, you see, this support. So there's a way you trade a double bottom on an upward market. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. So we'll wait. So that is like 2 weeks of waiting. And finally, the market has broken the half. So I'll do another video of entry level. I told you, if you entered, you would have targeted to half. And then now you wait until half is broken or this support is broken. So let's pick our entry long position. Let's get into long position like that. And in this case, we are targeting the neckline. So we are just going step by step. This trade is step by step. Why? Because we don't know if the neckline will be broken. So that's how many pips? 368 pips, guys. So these are the trades I tell people. If I give signal, I tell people hold. Learn how to hold. You enter, you take profit, and you leave that trade alone. So 365 pips. Let's see if we would have made it the first day, the second day, the third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, ninth day, and the 10th day. The market hit our TP. So yes, it's 368 pips, but nobody tells people the patience it takes to wait for the market to hit and break the neckline. So not only the market has broken the neckline, but it has the market has broken neckline, and it has hit our TP. So for me, what I do using the BWA, I just need the second candle to know what to do. And for me, I can continue with the second candle. I won't tell you in details of the strategy, but with the second candle, I know that this market will continue and it will hit all the way. And I don't mind even if I'll hold it for 1 month. The good thing is knowing that the market will buy. That's the best thing. So that buy is 748 pips. So for you to get involved in such a trade, which you know it can give you up to 700 pips, even if you're told you hold that trade for 1 month, no problem. So let's see if eventually our take profit was hit. So we are waiting to see. So these are so many days of waiting. Let's see if the TP was hit. So the TP was hit finally. You can see 748 pips just to understand how to trade this pair. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye. Love you.